We have an A4 flyer that we want to make 2 up on an A4 sheet. This video will show you how to do it manually and make a print-ready PDF with crop marks and bleed. We first import the artwork into our A4 landscape page. Next we resize it to A5 portrait. To make sure the artwork is scaled properly, we make sure the padlock is closed. Pressing P centers the artwork on our page. We duplicate the artwork by clicking and dragging it. Before releasing, click the right mouse button to create the duplicate. The duplicate snaps to the original. We group the two objects and press P to center it on the page. Press F4 to see all of the objects on the page. To hide the white line and make a bleed, we create a rectangle larger than the page and center it. We then use the eyedropper tool to sample a color and apply it to the rectangle. Send the new rectangle to the back of the page by pressing Shift Page down. Now click File, Publish to PDF, then select an output folder. In the options, we select crop marks and registration marks from the Prepress tab. Bleed is selected. Check output quality is set to high and output color is CMYK. And here is the final 2-up artwork ready to go to the printers.